Hey guys, it's Danielle here with 4 Patriots, and I hope you're ready, because today we're about to take your average backyard fire pit and turn it into the ultimate solar fire pit. Fair warning, you might notice a serious uptick in attendance at your next backyard barbecue once you see how these 6 items take your fire pit to the next level. Are you ready to elevate your fire pit? I sure hope so. But before we dive in, be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel. And don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video. And we've got more awesome videos in store you won't want to miss, like this one. Now, first things first, let's start the fire. That's what we're all here for, right? To enjoy the beautiful outdoors, even when the temperatures are dropping. And here's a simple way to get your fire going. The Firebolt Waterproof Tactical Arc Lighter. No more rubbing sticks together or carrying around those long butane lighters. This one fits in your pocket. Simply pop open the Firebolt and ignite your fire without flames. And when the embers die down, it doubles as a flashlight, so you'll never be alone in the dark. And speaking of light, how about we set the mood with a twinkling string of LED lights? And before you go and complain about extension cords and your lack of outdoor plugs, I'll introduce you to the Patriot Power Sidekick, our mini solar generator that only needs the sun to power your string lights for hours. With 8 outlets in total, it can give your phones, speakers, and other small devices an extra charge without shuffling back and forth to the house. And when it comes to the bigger stuff, like say a crock pot for cider, a hot plate for chili, or a mini fridge for cold drinks, the Sidekick's big brother, our Patriot Power Generator 1800, has got you covered. This powerful yet portable guy will supply you with all the off-grid, reliable solar power you need to keep your backyard party going well into the night. And no one is calling the cops on you for that loud, clanky generator noise, because this solar generator is silent. Not to mention fume-free too, so you can even use it indoors when you're done. Now let's switch gears, because once all the hot dogs are made and the chili is eaten, you and your family will want something sweet to eat. And sure, you could go for the obvious s'mores route, but I'll do you one better with the 4 Patriots Survival Sweets Kit. Get ready to chow down on birthday cake, brownie, cookie dough, and cheesecake bites. And here's the real kicker. There's no cooking required. Eat them right out of their pouches, which, by the way, are disaster resistant and designed to keep your food safe for 10 years. So stock up now for many fire pit parties to come. Whew! Let's take a breather and recap. You've got food, check. Fire, check. And some serious backup power, double check. Now it's time for the last 2 solar gadgets. They're gonna take your fire pit to the next level and make your friends, family, and neighbors want to stay all night long. Again, don't say we didn't warn you. See this here? It may look like your run-of-the-mill lantern, but it's so much more than that. Some call it a godsend against nagging bugs. I just call it my trusty bug-out solar lantern. That's right, it's solar powered, so you can charge it up during the day and it'll zap those bugs all night long. And I haven't even gotten to the best part, because it cleans itself. No scrubbing fly swatters or picking up traps. Its self-cleaning brush gets rid of the dead bugs and deposits them in the bottom tray. All you have to do is empty the tray. Now, for my final item to truly round out this ultimate fire pit experience, I introduce you to the Solar Sentry light. Because when the fire fades and the backyard fun is over, you need something to shine a light on the cleanup or guide you indoors. And these easy to install lights are it. And unlike a lot of security lights that are strictly motion censored, these lights come with a remote, so you can keep a steady light on the backyard during the party and switch them to stealth mode at night, where they can detect intruders up to 39 feet away. So, for ultimate peace of mind and the safety of all your guests, hang them above your back door, garage, or even under your porch steps to make sure whoever is attending your fire pit party has a guiding light. Okay, that's it. You're officially ready to elevate your fire pit. And make sure you drop a comment below on how you take your fire pit to the next level. While you're down there too, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching.